So what we have here in the shop today is a 2013 Mercedes e350 4MATIC. And this is going to be a fun repair. What happened was he hydroplaned and he bounced this side of the car off a barrier. And if you get to look in here, the whole front end, if you look at the hood gap here, is swung over from that. And then on the opposite side was a semi-truck. And you can see where the tire and lug nuts and everything just chewed it up here, spinning here. Ripped a big hole in the fender, screwed up the wheel there, destroyed the mirror, blew the airbags on the one side. We'll be putting 2 doors on it, a rocker, a fender. There'll be some frame repair in the front, and well, structural repair. So, but yeah, once I tear it apart, I'll make another video for you guys and show you the wonderful engineering that Mercedes has developed. I'm not a big fan of working on these cars. Everything has adjustment in it, nothing is indexed. So they're a little more time consuming. But yeah, I'll post another video once I get to that point. Thanks guys.